hello guys. I don't want to waste the time because I'm so much excited. But before that, I want to give the message which is really important. Please just try to manage because I'm making videos in daytime. I just prefer to make video in night. But thing is that actually nowadays I'm not well, so I just slept so soon in night. So please just forgive me and just try to manage this voice, which is you are listening backside me. So just try to do that. And there is a construction work is going on. Please just try to manage that things. But my purpose is that I want to share that messages. So I don't want to delay. Let's get started. Today I want to share a one things which is really biggest mistakes every person's do while the learning any language. I'm not talking about any particular language. I'm talking about English, Hindi, Malayalam, Germany, French, any language. If you just decided in your life to learn any language and you also doing same things, same mistakes, please avoid it. If you completely avoid this habit, definitely I gonna challenge to you, and this is the 100% promise to you that you also can improve a lot with yourself, and so soon. You cannot wait for too long. You can speak very confidently. So what is the biggest mistakes everyone actually does this mistakes. So this mistake is thinking. You have to side your thinking. Means just try to think, just try to make imagination story in your mind. But that imagination story or whatever you are making planning, whatever you did in your life in the past, yesterday, and you are making planning for today or for the future. So just try to make all things, just try to make schedule and just try to memorize all things, whatever you did in your yesterday. Just try to do that, just try to think, but think in the exactly learning language. Means I am learning English language. So what do you think? Why I am forcing to do that? If I have purpose to learn English language, so definitely what I'm doing but my native language is Hindi. So a lot of people also doing same mistakes. They also thinking first in the mind and after they trying to speak. But what they actually do always in the native language. They also thinking always in native language. So you don't do that. You will have no need to do that. You will have no need to translation. Okay. So if you are learning English language, so just try to think directly, just try to making sentence directly into the English language. In the beginning of time, it is really very hard. Actually it will be hard. Your sentence is not making properly. You cannot make properly sentence. You cannot think. You take time. You take a lot of time. But in the beginning of time, it's take too long. But after that, when you will be habitual, when you become habitual, seriously, to be honest, I just promise to you that you can speak very confidently and you don't have need to translations. You don't have need to think in your native language. If your mother tongue is Hindi, so you don't have need to think firstly in Hindi and after that you have need to translate. Don't do this mistake. This is the biggest mistake so just try to correct your thinking process. Just try to think into the learning language. If you are learning in English language, if you are learning in Germany or any language, so just try to think directly to this language. Okay, suppose I just give you my real example. I am learning English language, so I am thinking directly in the English language. In a beginning of time, when I just try to speak, at that time it's really very hard to speak very confidently on the flow, and sometimes I also making to myself, automatically fumbling. But don't be think that because you are a learner. Okay, so for that things you have to do only one thing. Just try to think directly into the English language if you are a learner at English language. Okay, now second mistakes. Now I will share with you second mistakes what you do in the life. Just try to think and speak. Don't keep in your heart, don't keep in your mind. Just try to speak whatever you are thinking, whatever you are making planning. And if you don't have any kind of imagination story and you are really very so much confused how to do that, how to manage, just try to search a pictures, some imagination pictures on the Google, and just try to explain those pictures in in the English language directly. So of course it's gonna help you to improve your English communications. So I hope you will you like this video, you like this message. If you like this message, please just like it, and if you do not like this, just dislike. And if you just think that message is really great, so please just try to spread the message and just try to share the video everywhere. For that things, bye, have a great good day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you will not press the bell icon, you cannot get new notification which I am uploading on daily basis, 2 or 3 videos. For that things you will have to do, hit the bell icon. Bye.